So it's time to do a little bit of sanding. I'm using 120 grit sandpaper with orbital sander from Festool. So let's do it. Yeah, all sanded, ready for first coat. As you can see, there's a massive difference there after we sanded everything. What we need to do now is just apply 2 coats of Aquadeck acrylic, and that will be it. As I mentioned before, we are using Aquadeck from Cobots. So yeah, pretty much we're gonna do 2 coats of this paint, and it's acrylic paint. As you see, lasts 2 times longer than any average oil, so that's what we're gonna go with. I don't know if you've seen this system before, but this is how I do decking. I use the very wide brush and just apply it like that. Brush it on. Starting a second coat, and with this one that's gonna be finished. Starting from this corner again.